I'd like to talk to you about some of the products that we have with the FoldWell system. This one right here is our elongated honeycomb, and it's a 1-inch. We also have the 1-inch hexagon. We have the 1-inch teardrop up here, and then this is the 1-inch square. We also have reusable filament papers. We have them for each size that we offer. We offer a multitude of different sizes. I just wanted to showcase these right now. Here I have a completed flower, and I use the reusable filament papers in this. And let me show you how you use the FoldWell system. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to hold it in my hand. I choose a lot of times to do it this way, but you can also set it on the table and use it that way. And you're going to take your fabric and put it in here, and you're going to use one of our reusable filament papers, and you'll see that it's got a shiny side and a dull side, and you are going to use the dull side. There's the shiny side, and here's the dull side. You're going to put that inside, and then you're going to take your glue and put it in here like so. And you're going to take the tabs that we have and press them down, and it sticks very well to our filament paper that we have. And you're going to go and press it on each side. And it is like that for each one of our templates that we have, or our glue presses that we have. And each one works the same, and you're just going to go along each side and press. And then we will finish it up like so, and then you have a completed hexagon. And it is that simple to do with our system that we have here at FoldWell.